So we're here at the new 5-station mobile restroom trailer with the Key West interior package on it. It features 3 women's stalls, 1 men's stall, and 1 waterless urinal. We're going to show you some how-tos and do's and don'ts and help you get it set up, but first let's do a quick tour. The climate controls for the unit are located inside the women's stall in a locked container. Just remove the cover and you can go through and select the mode button to switch between heating and cooling and adjust your interior temperature. This unit does feature single temperature metering faucets on both sides and pedal flush toilets. The men's side does feature 1 stall, 1 waterless urinal, and a single sink with a metering faucet. So in the beginning of the season or the beginning of a rental, to get your water heater started, you do want to make sure that your water heater is full of water so that you don't burn up the element. Do that by plugging into the CityFill or freshwater connection and open the faucet to make sure that water is flowing through there. Once you're sure that water is flowing through, you can plug the unit in to the recep and then flip the switch on. We have 325 volt 30 amp receptacles here, and your unit will come with 3 cords for that. You just want to plug it in, give it a little twist, and lock it down. Once you've plugged everything in, your breakers are located inside the service closet. Each one of them are labeled and there's a separate panel for each one of the receps outside. Your water connections are also located on the service side of the trailer. You've got city water connection and freshwater connection. Simply open this up. You can run your hoses from underneath and tie into the appropriate connection. Freshwater connection is to fill the freshwater tank. City water connection will pressurize the entire trailer. When you're tied into the city water connection, there's no need to operate the freshwater pump on board in the service closet. This unit features 2 dump valves for the black water waste tank. The first one is located up here on the front of the trailer, and this is going to be your primary. Features a 3-inch cam lever quick connect. It's going to have a male on here, but you can get various adapters for that. Once you've connected your hose, simply open your valve and you can have the tank pumped out. The second waste tank valve is located here at the back of the trailer. Again, it's a 3-inch, but it's more of an RV style. Once you've hooked onto this, simply open the valve here to dump the tank. You have leveling jacks located on all 4 corners of the trailer. To set those up, simply pull the pin, pivot the jack to the down position, reinsert the pin, and crank it down. To set up the handrails, simply lift, swing into position, and then tighten up with the thumb screw. To set up the stairs, we're going to remove the safety pin that's in for transport and pull on the step assembly. Once it's all the way out, use your foot to kick up and into position. You do want to make sure that the safety bar has dropped in behind the steps. It's very important. And then I like to give it a little tap to make sure it's solid.